Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm your presenter Malancha. Today we are going to talk about the noun clause. A noun clause is a dependent clause that function as a noun in a sentence. As we have discussed in the previous videos, that what is dependent clause and what is independent clause, let me clear you again. A dependent clause is a clause that depends on on other things for its meaning. It does not have a complete thought. A noun clause डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज होता है. डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज का क्या मतलब है कि वो अपना मानी क्लियर नहीं करता, उसको ज़रूरत होती है अपने मतलब को क्लियर करने के लिए किसी और क्लॉज की या किसी और हिस्से की. ठीक है. तो नाउन क्लॉज जो होता है वो डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज होता है और वो क्या करता है, फंक्शन एज अ नाउन. वो काम करेगा नाउन की तरह. नाउन का जो किरदार होगा जुमले में उसी तरह उसका किरदार होगा. It begins with the words like that, what, whatever, who, whom, whoever, and whomever. A noun clause can be the subject of a verb, the object of a transitive verb, the object of preposition, the apposition to a noun or pronoun, and the complement of a verb of an incomplete prediction. The noun clause can be these things. Let's discuss it in detail one by one. The subject of a verb. How it is the subject of a verb. What he said was true. Why he left is mystery. In these two cases, what he said is a noun clause and it is working here as a subject. ठीक है ना? And why he left is also a subject of a verb. The object of transitive verb. He says that he won't go. He denied that she had written the letter. He says that he won't go. The transitive verb is says. The object of the verb is that he won't go. She denied that she had written the letter. The transitive verb is denied, and the object of the verb is that she had written the letter. The object of a preposition. Pay careful attention to what I am going to say. So the preposition is here is to, and the object of preposition is what I am going to say. And this is also a noun clause. There is no meaning in what you say. Preposition is in, and the object of preposition is what you say. And it is functioning as a noun clause, serving the object that completes the meaning in the preposition in. The noun clause is in apposition to a noun or pronoun. What is apposition? Apposition is the additional information in the sentence. So, your statement that you found the money in the street will not be believed. Your statement, apposition to the noun in the sentence is that you found the money in the street, and the clause is in the apposition to a noun statement, providing more information about what the statement is. His belief that someday he would succeed cheered him through any disappointments. In the sentence, his belief that someday he would succeed cheered him through many disappointments. The apposition to the noun is that someday he would succeed. The clause is in the apposition to the noun believe, providing more information about what his belief is, what the belief is. The noun clause is used as a complement of a verb of an incomplete prediction. Incomplete prediction में जो complement use होगा वो भी noun clause कहलाएगा. The child was afraid that he would fall down. तो इसमें noun clause है that he would fall down and the function is complement of the adjective afraid. The noun clause serves to the complement the adjective by giving a fuller understanding of the child's fear. I felt sorry that they lost the match. Noun clause is that they lost the match and function is the complement of the adjective sorry. The clause explains why they felt sorry, providing the specific reason for their regret. It completes the thought by specifying what they are sorry about. Without the noun clause, the sentence they felt sorry would be incomplete because it wouldn't convey the reason for their feeling. टिप्स फॉर आइडेंटिफाई. अब हम कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करें कि ये नाउन क्लॉज है. लुक फॉर द क्लॉजेज दैट स्टार्ट विद दैट वर्ड, वट एवर, हु, whom, whoever and whomever. चेक इफ द क्लॉज कैन बी रिप्लेस विद अ प्रोनाउन. एक खास टिप जो है वो आपने ये देखना है कि क्या वो रिप्लेस्ड हो सकता है प्रोनाउन से. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही बिलीव्स दैट ऑनेस्टी इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. रिप्लेसेबल, ही बिलीव्स इट. ठीक है. ऑनेस्टी इज इम्पॉर्टेंट, इसको इट पे रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं. शी एक्सप्लेन वट हैपेंड, शी एक्सप्लेन इट. तो इसका मतलब ये नाउन क्लॉज है. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो. आई होप आपने पसंद की होगी. प्लीज़ डू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल. अल्लाह हाफिज़.